What's up, y'all? It's gonna be impossible to run your business if you don't do this. Alright, but before I tell you what it is, let me tell you who I am. I am AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network. And by the way, this is gonna be a real quick video. I literally just threw the tripod up and came to my backyard right quick. I just hopped off the road. I went back home to Virginia for a little while. And then I spent a week there. Now I'm back home. And I said, you know what? I've been on a roll, ain't missed a video none this month. So let me hurry up and get y'all one. And it's this, y'all. You cannot run your business without this, and it's a calendar. Like, I can't believe people be out here functioning without a calendar. I can't even run my personal life without a calendar, y'all. Like, every single thing has to go on a calendar. Like I said, I just left Virginia, and I was out with my boy or whatever, and we was talking about the next spot that we could hit on in like 2 or 3 days from that night, right? So we was out just chilling at the lounge or whatever, having drinks. And then he was like, oh yeah, is it gonna be a live band out Virginia Beach, on Monday? And I was like, all right, bet. And I mean, cause Monday was my birthday, so I bet. So I whipped out my phone right there in the little bar lounge, opened up my calendar, and I put it in there. He bust out laughing. He said, man, you put that calendar, you gonna put that on your calendar? I was like, yeah, everything has to be on my calendar. If it's not on my calendar, it won't get done. And me personally, I use a scheduling software as well. So a lot of times what I'll do is somebody want to meet with me or something like that, I don't got time to add that to my calendar. So either A, if somebody want to schedule with me, they're going to have to either A, go through one of my assistants, or B, I just send them the link and then they use my scheduling software to add themselves. So I usually sometimes I use Calendly.com, so Calendly.com for scheduling. And then I also use the Clean Biz Network software because we have that ability in our software as well. So either one. I was always just using Calendly, and it don't cost that much per month to have it. So I continue to use it for certain things, but then for other things, I still use the Clean Biz Network calendar. But anyway, so you got to have a calendar, y'all. Now, in addition to the calendar, you also gonna want to have a memo pad, because some things don't necessarily got to go on a calendar at a particular date and time, but it's just certain things that you know that got to get done. And so that's what I use my memo pad for. So if you ain't got a memo pad app on your phone, download one now, y'all. But these are if you ain't got a calendar, if you don't schedule I'm talking about I schedule time with the family, time just to chill. And if somebody called me during my chill time, guess what? I'm busy. I'm busy. I already scheduled that on my calendar. Now, if I feel like being bothered, I feel like talking, I'll pick it up. But almost every single day for me is always scheduled out. Even on the weekends, if I want to do something, it's gonna be on that calendar, y'all. So if you find yourself, oh, I'm doing too much, or I'm overwhelmed, or I got too much going on, it's probably because you ain't organized. You got it. If you think you just gonna run it, and think you got it up here, you know what I mean? Then you got look, 20 buildings to clean, or X amount of companies to clean, or houses to clean. How you gonna do that without a calendar? You know what I mean? Like I said, then once you graduate and get the calendar, next you're gonna need software in general to manage your whole company, right? And so that's why you need software as well. But that's the main thing. I told you it's gonna be a quick one, y'all. Make sure y'all using memo pads. Make sure y'all using calendars. This is basic stuff. But when I'm talking to people, I realize there's a lot of people out here that claim they business owners and they don't even use a calendar. Like, what are you doing? You can't do that. Nobody does that. No person of high earning, no high earners don't move without it. Everybody moves it with a calendar. I want y'all to know that. If you didn't realize that, you know now. Please schedule everything. Your kids, recitals, and all of that type of stuff. So personal stuff and business stuff. Calendar. And I like calendars that can sync anywhere. That's why I use Google Calendar. I heard iCal is okay too, right? But I use Google Calendar that way I can access it from my computer, from my phone, because a lot of times when I work during the day, my phone is on silent or do not disturb, right? And so it'll also pop up on my computer because I got Google Calendar as well, and I got the notifications on for that too. So, and it'll email me as well. So make sure you use stuff like that. Productivity software for sure. And if you need some software to help run your cleaning company, check out cleanbiznetwork.com. Join us today at www.cleanbiznetwork.app. And because the good thing about our software is not only do you get the software to run your company, you also get coaching. I throw the coaching in, I throw my course in, all of that just for you using our software. So go get it, go join us. I'm AJ Simmons. Talk to y'all later. Get that calendar, y'all. Let's get it.